everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how my makeup looked the night that Bobby proposed to me. So yes, I'm engaged, I'm a fiance. So exciting. Anywho, if you guys want to hear the story of how my mom convinced me to do my makeup for my engagement night and how Bobby proposed, then please keep watching. Okay, so before I get into the makeup, this was how I did my hair. And then I just had like some pieces brought down in the front here, but yeah, this is how I had my hair. And it wasn't planned out by any means. Yeah. So while I'm doing my face makeup, I will tell you guys the story of how my mom convinced me to do my makeup. Okay, so to start, I want to cover up all the blemishes. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer Concealer. Okay, so it's golden hour. We're sitting on the deck with my parents. I'm taking photos of their flowers, and I was like, it's so beautiful outside. We need to go down to the beach and take pictures. And my mom was like, well, if we're gonna take pictures, like maybe I could get some nice pictures of you and Bobby down by the beach. And I was like, that sounds nice. And I'm like in this phase where I don't care if my makeup's done. And she knew that, because I was like, okay, well, I'm ready, let's go. And she was like, well, if you're getting pictures, why not do your makeup? And I was protesting and protesting and protesting. I was just thinking to myself, like, oh my God, why do you care so much? Like, let's just go. And finally she was like, I just really, really like watching you do your makeup, and I just really want to see you do your makeup right now. And I thought to myself, oh my God, how cute. My mom loves watching me do my makeup so much. She wants me to do it in person. So that definitely got me to do my makeup. This is taking me forever. I am going to finish covering up my blemishes and I will come back. Okay, that is blemishes covered up. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Liquid Glow Highlighter. This one is in Perla. I'm putting it all over my face. Just for that nice glow under the skin. So thanks to my mom, I looked very good for my engagement. Thanks. But here's the funny part. So after I finished getting ready, I'm like, hey guys, I'm ready to go. And my parents all of a sudden were gonna like back out and they weren't gonna come. And I was like, well, that's really weird. Like, why would we go down to the beach and take pictures and walk our dog and not do the same with your dog? Like, that's really strange. And we don't live close by each other, so I thought that was odd because my dad is all about maximizing time together. They were also like taking their own vehicle, which I thought was weird too, but whatever. That was how I looked at it. So I started getting suspicious. So before we left, I was like, I'm gonna change into some jeans because I don't want to wear the track pants I'm wearing. I'm like, what if he does propose? So we're driving there and Bobby and I are in a separate vehicle. He looks at me and he's like, wow, your parents are acting really weird. Like, what's going on? Like, is someone gonna meet at the beach? Or he was like, this is just like really weird. And his acting was on point, guys, because like he had me convinced that there was nothing happening. So good job, Bobby. Because, yeah. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Magic Skin Beautifier. I said it wrong last time. Beautifier, not beauty. BB cream. So now we're at the beach and We're taking pictures at sunset. I took my time, of course, because there was nothing driving us, so I was like, why would I rush this? Like, I might as well just enjoy this moment, you know, with the sunset and my camera. And my parents made it up a bathroom emergency so that they could leave. So Bobby and I are still walking down the boardwalk. Poor guy. Like, it took me forever to get where he wanted me to go. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Bronzer. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush. I'm just using a big fluffy, oh my god. Fluffy. I'm just using a big fluffy brush to apply this. So it takes me forever to get where he wants me to go. And then we got to this like super cool area, like amazing area. It's on Parksville Beach. And it's this area that's been undisturbed for several years, and it's rocks stacked on top of each other. It's so cute. It's so cute. So we start walking through this area, and we're looking at all these pieces that people had done up and just left there for other people to look at. And Bobby sees like something off in the ocean. It looked like it could have been a pot of whales or something. So he was like, Erica, is that a pot of whales? And I had my zoom lens on, thank God. So I'm pointing my camera over there. I'm like, is it whales? This is so cool. Like, I haven't had an opportunity to take pictures of whales. My settings were perfect. Like, I was so excited. I was super into the photography aspect of it. And I asked Bobby a question, he didn't answer. And when I turned around, he was knelt down on one knee, like did the typical, like, it was so perfect. And I'm like a flood of tears, like the Nile came out of my eyes, I feel. And I just couldn't stop crying. Because I literally, guys, like, I had myself convinced that this was not going to happen. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Blush. This is in the shade Coral Cove. I always forget to open it for you guys. So that's what it looks like. And I am just using a dollar store brush to apply that. Anywho, so he looks at me and he's like, wanna be my wife? And I'm like, yeah. That's literally how it happened. And then he got up, gave me a hug. I'm still crying. I said thank you. Felt kind of lame, but you know, I was so like, just like, thank you for finally putting me at ease kind of thing, you know. And then he put the ring on. It was so perfect. It was so special, and I loved it so much. So that being said, this is the ring. He did an incredible job with this. He had it designed with our local jeweler here in town. And he, like, the cut is, so it's a round cut with a halo. It's absolutely beautiful, but he really personalized it and put my birthstone in there too, which I love my birthstone because it's aquamarine. So yeah, I'm engaged. It's exciting. As per usual, this takes me forever. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. I will come back. Okay, so this ordeal took me 5 minutes. That's why I go off camera. So to start my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Louise Base. I'm also gonna bring you guys in just a little bit closer. That way you can really see what's going on upstairs.
First, I'm going in with the Louise Base and a Jeffree Star blending sponge, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. This will be the primer or the base, whatever you call it. And I'm also going to bring that right up to my brows since we are going to be doing a smoky eye. Okay, Taking the Charlotte Tilbury palette, I'm going in with that first beige color. I'm going to use this as my transition, so it's going to go pretty high up and close towards the brow bone. Okay, going into the same palette, I'm picking up that first brown color and putting that in the crease and blending it out. Same palette, but the darker brown. I'm gonna start packing this on the outer corner of my eye. I wanna get that depth in there, and this will also help enlarge my eyes. So I'm first just packing it on, and I'll do the same on the other eye, and when we come back, I will start to blend it out with that same brush that we've been using the entire time. And throughout this entire look, I will be using the same Charlotte Tilbury palette. Okay, and here we are blending out all of that product that we just packed on. Okay, taking the Too Faced glitter glue and that same Jeffree Star sponge, I'm going to start applying this all over my lid, as well as towards the inner corner of my eye. This is really going to help that glitter stick, and it's going to help make the color pop. Now, I do apologize because that loose glitter I'm about to go in with, I forgot to show you guys. It is by Tarte. So taking a flat Jeffree Star brush, I'm packing it on. Now the first two glitters are going on my eye, as well as that last matte. The first glitter is going to go into the inner corner. I'm doing that with my pinky. The second one we're going to use for the closer inner portion of the eye on the bottom lash line. And the last one is the matte eyeshadow that's going to go on the very outside. And taking out that black color one more time, or the dark color, sorry, I don't know why I said black. I'm going to smoke it out and really give it that kind of purple smoky color.
I apologize, my transition disappeared. We're back to the video.
So for my lower waterline, I did go in with a white. So I'm just gonna smack that on there. Now going in with my Marilyn Monroe liquid liner. I didn't do anything crazy. I kept it pretty simple and just did like a little flick. So we're just gonna... For mascara, I went in with the Marilyn Monroe mascara, and every time I'm seeing Marilyn Monroe, this is all by Hardcandy. Okay, so for highlighter, I did go in with the Jeffree Star Skin Frost collection in the shade Sarcophagus. And I used a Sephora highlighting brush to apply that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this skinny oval brush. This is just from a Walmart collection. Okay, and then last, I'm gonna pick up just a little bit here and just at the arch, I'm going to apply and highlight the brow bone. Okay, and then for lipstick, I actually just went in with a nude. So this is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I'll just apply that and then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. As for the proposal, it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect. It was special, it was intimate, it was just us. It was kind of comedic in a sense of what we're like, so it was absolutely perfect. See you guys next time.